Okay. I am Chanel poor. I pulled the trigger. This is like a Christmas gift slash congratulatory gift. Everything gift. But first, ito na muna. Bago yung Chanel. Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. There it is. Strawberry pound cake. How are you like there you go. It smells so good. $22 for 3-week candle. Para na rin siyang air freshener. It's lagi kang parang may food sa kwarto. May dessert. Okay. Ano to? It comes with this holiday wrapping. And ano siyang parang charm. Chanel number 5. Yung una kong pinili yung snowflake. Kaya lang sabi ko, parang mas classic yung Chanel number 5. Kahit hindi siya Chanel number 5. So, unahin muna natin yung freebies. Bago to. Here. Anyway. Eto. I don't even know kung ano to. Oh. Yung mga something. Lotion, serum, whatever. Ito pa. Sublimage lotion. Dapat ganito pala. Tama ba? And Sublimage na siguro ano siya, like sunblock or something. So, nakikita. And meron din siyang pinigay na sample. Chance of Fresh and Coco Mademoiselle na 1.5 ba to? ml 1.5 ml. Sabi ko ayoko dito, wala bang less exclusives na ano? Wala daw. Ubus na. Okay, so ito meron din parang card. So, gift to myself. Sulatan natin yung card. Ilagay natin sa scrapbook. My first Chanel perfume and ano din siya, less exclusive. Okay. Tapos meron din ito. Ano ba to? Oh, snowflakes. Parang bubuuin mo daw ata siya na arts and crafts. So, parang ornament ata. So, dyan na yan. And meron din ito. Ito ata yung ornament. Ito yung ornament. Oh. Cute. Ano siya? See? Parang 3D. Okay. 3D ornament. Na snowflake. There you go. Okay. Tinapon. And ito. Chanel number 5 na maliit. Cute. Sample na 1.5 ml. Pero ang cute niya. Holiday packaging pa siya. Teeny tiny 1.5 Chanel number 5. Teeny tiny. Ang liit-liit. Okay, so let's get to the main unboxing. Ito yung resibo niya. This is, I bought this at Ion in Singapore, Chanel Boutique. So the staff, thank you. for the sales associate. I'm not gonna mention his name. And I paid 670 Singapore dollars. So, para siyang 29,480 or let's say 29,500 pesos. For less exclusive, 200 ml and madaming less exclusives. I-unbox na natin kung ano yun. Actually, siya lang yung pinakagusto kong less exclusive. Inamoy ko lahat, pero siya yung pinakagusto ko. Ito talaga na. So, bago ako bumili ng Chanel No. 5, naisip ko, ito na lang kasi ito talaga yung gusto ko. Doon tayo sa gusto natin. Kesa pabalik-balik, madodoblean tayo. Ayan na, ito na. And this is limited edition daw yung kanyang paper. Makita mo yung naka-emboss yung Comet. This is Comet. This is the batch code 9402. This is Comet. Okay, let's open it. Let's do the Super Jacob way. Very maingat. Ooh. And let's open it from the bottom. So dahil mahal siya, isang spray lang per day. Oh, nasira yung plastic. Tapos sabi medyo alalay daw sa pagtaas kasi kapatong siya. Chancharan! Chancharan! Yeah! Wait. Yay! It's Comet! 200 ml! Hurrah! Ah! Smells so good! I love it. I love it. So good. Comet. This is our thumbnail. Oh wait. Okay. So yan. I deserve this. I deserve this. So, hindi tayo kakain for 1 month. Noodles lang kakainin natin for 1 month. Oh my god. Comet. I do love you. I do love this perfume. Smells, there's notes of cherry blossoms in it. It's so good. Oh. Okay, I think it's worth it. Mag-end by next year, 2025, mag-increase pa daw siya with ng $20. So, 690 na siya, or more or less, kasi di pa niya sure kung magkano talaga. But, yeah. So, nakatipid tayo ng $20. Oh, made in France. Yeah. Comet. Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Like nyo na to para may pambayad kami dito.